strap down, but a lot of people don't like these style straps because of this, but I actually don't mind them all that much. I'll say that. I know I'm gonna have to drop the drive shaft. So let me get this. My drive shaft sockets for Fords, which are these right here. Pretty much every Ford, the Matco 1/2" drive. My strap. I gotta do something different about all this because kind of a pain in the ass. That, this, if I need it, but I think I should be okay. Go ahead and get the drive shaft dropped and then I'll figure out what the fuck I'm gonna do about the parking brake. Well, this seems like they're the right size. Our electrical tape. Man, where's the slit? Oh, here it is. And we're just going to go around the caps a couple of times. This is just to ensure that they don't fall off while we're going down the road. And then some people just remove them completely, but that's more stuff I gotta keep up with. Caps are wrapped. So now let's get our strap. And I think we'll just go damn, almost perfect. We'll go right here. Should give us what we're looking for, hopefully. As far as the drive shaft being off the ground. Cool. this off. Alright. Bolts and stuff go in there so they don't get lost. We'll leave that there for now because it's still going to release that parking brake. This little latch right here, you pull that, I don't know if you can see it. I'll put a picture of it in the video. That's what releases the brake. So if you got one where the shit's broken, right there. All right, so now, yeah, the truck rolls no problem. Sweet. So now set it up for your travel height. Double check that your GoPro's good. All right. Put the tow light on, we'll be in business. All right, tow light's on and working. Now finding a good place to put it where it's not going to fall off. It's the issue because these things are expensive. I think, well, damn, I almost wish I could hang it upside down. I could put it in there, but it's not gonna. Okay. At least I'll be able to keep an eye on it as I'm going down the road. Woo! Damn. L-arm looking a little bad. Alright. Drive shaft's tied up. Truck is strapped. Tow light is on. I think we're ready to ride out. So I will see y'all at the drop. We repeat the process. Grab all our hardware. Hold on, I'm dropping and losing anything. Alright, and then we'll get this drive shaft put back in. Alright, and the drive shaft's back in, so get your wrap off of it, your socket, your impact, and your ratchet, so you can put all that up now. And again, this is the Mako part number. It's just 4 little 1/2-inch drive 12-point sockets with a swivel. I use them pretty much all the time, especially for your Ford stuff. It's 12-point. So now that the drive shaft's in, we can put the truck apart. Roll up the windows. We're gonna take our straps while we're at it. And most importantly, don't forget your tail light. And I've already taken my pictures for this job, so my work here is done. If I hit the right button. And with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, you know, feel free to like and subscribe, and I will catch y'all on the next one.